As the leaves begin their colorful descent, the age-old battle of yard cleanup rears its head once again. But fear not, fellow leaf lovers. Gone are the days of wrestling with rakes and bewildering piles of foliage. Enter the superhero of fall maintenance, the leaf vacuum. With a trusty leaf vacuum by your side, you can effortlessly conquer those pesky drifts of leaves while possibly enjoying a pumpkin spice latte. Join us as we unveil the best leaf vacuums on the market that will make your yard work a breeze. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. WORX WG509 Trivac, our pick for best budget leaf vacuum. Are you tired of wrestling with leaves that seem to multiply overnight? Meet the WORX WG509 Trivac, your new best friend in the battle against the leafy chaos that plagues your yard. This corded electric powerhouse is not just a garden tool, it's a 3-in-1 superhero, expertly blowing, vacuuming, and mulching your outdoor mess into submission. With a whirlwind airspeed of 210 miles per hour and airflow that could power a small jet at 350 cubic feet per minute, those stubborn leaf piles don't stand a chance. You'll love the ingenious onboard conversion switch that lets you flip between functions faster than you can say, "Leaf be gone." And that angled vacuum tube? It's your trusty sidekick for tackling those pesky spots where leaves like to hide. Think gutters and corners that are just begging for a good cleanup. The metal impeller ensures durability while offering an astounding 18-to-1 reduction ratio, meaning just one bag of mulch could come from what would take 18 bags of leaves. Cleanup? A breeze thanks to the nifty 10-gallon reusable collection bag. Sure, the cord can be a bit of a drama queen if your yard extends beyond standard size. Don't forget that exterior-grade extension cord, but don't let that stop you. The WORX Trivac is your secret weapon for transforming yard work from a chore into a choreographed dance of efficiency. Say goodbye to leaf troubles and hello to your newly pristine yard. Number 4. Toro Ultra Electric, our pick for best leaf vacuum for small yards. Are you tired of tangled leaves ruining your yard's vibe? Meet the Toro Ultra Electric Leaf Vacuum, your new secret weapon against yard chaos. Designed for those of you with small to mid-sized yards, this powerhouse is like the Swiss Army knife of garden maintenance. Weighing in at just 8.5 pounds, it's so lightweight that you can wave goodbye to arm fatigue and hello to effortless yard work. With an impressive 16-to-1 shredding ratio, it chops leaves into fine mulch that practically begs to be composted. Talk about turning yard waste into garden gold. The variable speed control is your new best friend, effortlessly adjusting between vacuuming and blowing leaves. No more wrestling with settings like some outdated sci-fi gadget. Plus, switching modes is a breeze thanks to the push-button electric start and quick-release latch, no tools needed. Sure, it's corded, which means you'll be managing that power cord like a pro, but let's be real. Any yard big enough to need an extension cord is also big enough to show off your whimsical garden flair. With Toro, you're not just buying a leaf vacuum, you're investing in a stress-free yard experience. So grab your Toro and let's turn that chaotic yard into the envy of the neighborhood. No leaves left behind. Still searching for the perfect leaf vacuum? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN CMEBL7000, our pick for best backpack-style leaf vacuum. Are you exhausted from the endless battle against leaves and yard debris? It's time to toss those cumbersome satchel bags aside and embrace a game changer, the backpack-style leaf vacuum. Say goodbye to the strain of traditional models and hello to a comfortable yard maintenance experience, especially if your property resembles a leafy jungle. Meet the CRAFTSMAN Leaf Vacuum, your new yard warrior, boasting a mighty 12-ampere motor that isn't just a blower but also a mulcher. With an incredible air volume of 450 cubic feet per minute and a brisk airspeed of 260 miles per hour, this bad boy outshines many of its rivals, while keeping things surprisingly quiet. Yes, you heard that right. You can keep the peace with your neighbors while you tackle those pesky leaves. Now, while emptying the collection bag can turn into a minor wrestling match, the trade-off is totally worth it. Thanks to the comfy backpack design, you can channel your inner forestry ranger and work longer without feeling like you've run a marathon. Just a heads up, the plastic impeller may not last forever, but neither will those autumn leaves. In the end, with a noise rating of just 55 decibels and a featherlight weight of 11.3 pounds, the CRAFTSMAN Leaf Vacuum makes outdoor cleanup a breeze. Turn yard work from a necessary evil into a fun fall adventure, because who said raking leaves can't be enjoyable? Number 2. Husqvarna 125 BVX, our pick for best gas-powered leaf vacuum. Are you tired of battling leaves that seem to multiply overnight and yard debris that turns your weekends into a workout? Say hello to your new best friend, the Husqvarna gas-powered leaf vacuum. This powerhouse of a tool is like having a tornado in your hands, blasting away debris at a staggering 425 cubic feet per minute and hitting speeds of 170 miles per hour. It's not just a leaf blower, it's your ticket to yard domination. But wait, there's more. The Husqvarna doesn't just blow leaves into the neighbor's yard, it vacuums them up and mulches them down with a 16:1 mulch ratio. That means you can stuff all that crunchy foliage into the nifty 14.4-gallon collection bag and feel like a yard superhero. And let's not forget its lightweight design and ergonomic grip that keeps your arms from feeling like jelly after an afternoon of yard work. Starting this bad boy is a breeze, thanks to the quick start system. No more wrestling with a stubborn pull starter. Just fire it up and get to work. Keep in mind though, this beauty roars at 109 decibels, so don't forget your ear protection unless you want your ears ringing like wedding bells. With the Husqvarna by your side, yard maintenance transforms from a chore to a triumph. It's time to reclaim your weekends. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Greenworks 40V, our pick for best leaf vacuum overall. Are you done wrestling with unruly cords and choking on gas fumes while trying to tame your yard? Say hello to your new sidekick, the Greenworks 40V leaf vacuum, the ultimate game changer that turns yard work from a dreaded chore into a delightful stroll through nature. We know what you're thinking. Can a vacuum this cute handle the task? At just 5.6 pounds, it's like the featherweight champ of yard grooming. Say goodbye to arm fatigue. This little dynamo glides across your lawn, making leaf cleanup feel like a breezy dance rather than an intense workout. With its snazzy, brushless motor, this powerhouse delivers extended runtime, impressive torque, and a lifespan that'll make your old gas guzzler jealous. It boasts a robust airflow of 340 cubic feet per minute and air speeds that whoosh up to a whopping 185 miles per hour. Perfect for blowing leaves into submission or gobbling them up with glee. Sure, switching from vacuuming to blowing might not be a one-click magic trick, but once you're out there conquering leaves like a champion, you won't mind doing a little tube tango. Plus, at a whisper quiet 70 decibel, you can rally the troops for your leafy mission without waking the neighbors. So grab your Greenworks leaf vacuum and prepare for a leaf vanquishing adventure. Your lawn is ready for the celebration. Whew, we made it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best leaf vacuums. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which leaf vacuum you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.